I'm Meta Roestenberg. I'm a physician scientist and I do malaria research. So I work both in the clinic and in the lab. And in the clinic what we do is we infect healthy human volunteers with malaria, and they come to visit me 2 or 3 times a day to check their blood. And obviously as soon as they have malaria we treat them in a very early phase, and we investigate the changes that happen during early malaria infection. I'm particularly interested in the skin phase, so directly after a mosquito bites, to see how parasites interact with the immune system in the skin, and subsequently when they move on to the liver, how this first phase in the liver develops, and how a parasite gets to develop in the liver. So in the lab, in the clinic, we take the samples and then I bring those to the lab and I investigate the responses. And for this project, I'll particularly look at the nutrients that parasites need when they develop in the liver. So each parasite develops into approximately 30,000 new parasites within one liver cell. And so I think that to do so, it requires nutrients that it gets from the host, basically. So what I'll be looking at is to see how we can change those nutrients to inhibit the parasite development inside the liver. In the lab we use the mosquito culture, so we culture malaria mosquitoes and we infect those with in the laboratory cultured parasites to obtain the parasite form that's in the mosquito salivary gland. So we dissect the mosquitoes and we get the parasites out, and I use that to simulate in vitro what happens in vivo when you infect people using hepatocytes in vitro.